How does a bicameral legislature function in government? Imagine a system where laws are crafted through a careful balance of representation and debate. This is the essence of a bicameral legislature, a structure that divides legislative power between two distinct chambers. In many democratic nations, this system is designed to ensure that various perspectives are considered before laws are enacted. A bicameral legislature typically consists of an upper chamber and a lower chamber. The upper chamber often represents the interests of regions or states, while the lower chamber represents the population at large. This dual structure allows for a more comprehensive examination of proposed legislation, as each chamber can provide unique insights and feedback. In the United States, for example, the Senate serves as the upper chamber, with each state represented by 2 senators, regardless of population size. This ensures that smaller states have an equal voice in the legislative process. The House of Representatives, on the other hand, is the lower chamber, where representation is based on population. This means that larger states have more representatives, reflecting the interests of their greater number of citizens. The legislative process in a bicameral system typically begins with the introduction of a bill in one of the chambers. Once a bill is introduced, it undergoes a series of reviews, debates, and amendments. Each chamber has its own set of rules and procedures for handling legislation, which can lead to different versions of the same bill being created. This is where the bicameral nature of the legislature becomes particularly important. After both chambers have debated and voted on the bill, any differences between the 2 versions must be reconciled. This often involves a conference committee, which includes members from both chambers. The committee works to create a unified version of the bill that can be accepted by both the Senate and the House of Representatives. Once an agreement is reached, the final version is sent to the head of state for approval. The bicameral system also serves as a check on power. By requiring that legislation be approved by 2 separate chambers, it helps prevent hasty decisions and encourages thorough discussion. This structure fosters collaboration and compromise, as members from different political parties and regions must work together to pass laws. In summary, a bicameral legislature functions by dividing legislative responsibilities between 2 chambers, allowing for a more balanced and representative approach to lawmaking. This system not only enhances the quality of legislation through rigorous debate and review but also acts as a safeguard against the concentration of power, ensuring that diverse voices are heard in the governance process.